everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I am super excited to show a TEMU order. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like, comment, and subscribe, I'd really appreciate that as well. So I know, it's been long overdue that I had to show TEMU paintings, and luckily the order did come in recently. I did kind of do a kind of a larger order this time. The plot twist, majority of the paintings are partials. And I've been seeing that there's actually been an event going on with partials, so I've been seeing a lot of people having partial paintings that it kind of pushed me a bit to get more partials. I usually don't buy many of them, but I saw that TEMU has been getting a lot of partial paintings as well, so I decided to pick up a couple of them. Two of them that I have are a little bit small, and the other two I have are larger. So this first one we're going to look at today is so cute. So two of them they're all rhinestone, I believe. Yes, they are. And two of them, they are partial, but a majority of the canvas, ooh, sorry, this one really doesn't want to come out, are pretty much full. Well, I think I can call them full-on canvas. I apologize, I'm just going to tear it because the bag does not want to work on me. And I think the plastic might be sticking to it. And there we go. That was a little dramatic. So let me just open it up real quick. You can see it has a little standard kit. And just in case you're new to diamond painting, the standard kit is usually the tray, the pen, and the wax. And all you do is pour the diamonds into the tray, press the pen onto the wax, press it onto the diamond, press it on the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And do not worry if this breaks or it decides to run away. Your next canvas is going to have one as well, which you'll see with the other paintings I'm going to show. And these are the rhinestones. Oh my goodness, they are super, super sparkly, and I love that. I love all the colors too. There's a nice yellow, a really nice red, a silver, and oh, these are so pretty. And the little canvas is this. It's so cute. I don't know if it's called a panda bear, a tanuki. I'm not too sure what exactly it's called. I just think it's cute. And when I saw it, and all of these paintings I purchased were on lightning deals, so I got them really, really discounted. And I'll make sure to put the price here on the screen, and all of these paintings I'll put in the description below, just in case any of these are to your liking as well. As you can see, it's pretty much the whole canvas. Anything with a little circle is where the little rhinestone's gonna go. Oh, it's so cute. And when I first saw it, it really won me over. And I believe this canvas is one of the ones that I got under $1. No, really, I believe it was this one. I got a really, really good deal on it. So that's why I picked it up. I'm just picking up the plastic just to take care of the creases that are on the plastic. And it does help a lot with the canvas as well. Ooh, as you can see, it's settled down a bit. Oh, it's so cute. It's in the little leaves. I can already see all the shine on this one. Oh, it's so cute. And some information about the painting. It is MF236. And there are a lot of colors. The legend is not numbered. Usually with these little rhinestone paintings, they usually don't have numbers on the legend. Some do, but some don't. So let me just count it real quick. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 15. Sorry, I had to count real fast. There are 15 colors, and oh my goodness, it's so cute. So when I kit it up, I usually kit it up by the symbols. I do notice that the legend is really, really small. So you would have to get it really, really close to you if you ever decide to paint on this wonderful canvas. The same thing when you're kitting up. There are symbols to them. So the first ones are 1 through 7. Apologies, 8. The rest are alphabetical letters. So it'll be a simple legend. And when you kit it up, you can organize them that way as well. The canvas is really sturdy, so there will be no issue if you decide to put it on the wall. The other thing I've caught as well is that it has instructions for you to cut off the edge if you do not want the white border. Myself, I do use thumbtacks to put on the wall, so I kind of need the little border. Oh, it's so cute. I really love this one a lot. And just in case it's not too clear, I'm going to make sure to put a clear image here in the middle of the screen. It may be a nice little Panda Bear / Tanuki is mortar style. I'm not too sure exactly what it's called, but it's just too cute, and I'm a big fan of it. So for the next small one, the size on that one, I believe it says it on the label. It is an 18 by 18 centimeters. And I believe the other one said it as well. For this one, they're sold by the same seller. So that's why if you see the style, they kind of look alike. They just had a whole bunch of different images when I was purchasing. The first one I saw was that little panda bear one. And then I found this one next. Big fan of it. Again, standard kit. And the wonderful little rhinestone. Oh, I love that light blue. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like an aquamarine blue. Really pretty pinks. Ooh, some gold ones. Oh, this is so pretty. I love these colors. And this is the canvas. It's a little butterfly. Really colorful butterfly with a colorful little background. As you can see, the style is really close to the same as the previous painting. It's just a different image on it. And I just fell in love. I love butterflies as well. So I just fell in love when I saw this little canvas. And most of I love the colors too. So I was more than happy to pick it up. Oh my goodness, as you can see, it's a cute little butterfly. Wonderful colorful sky. And everything as well. And this painting is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 colors for this one. And some information, it is MF206. And as I stated, it is 14 colors. And the same thing, the legend is a little small, but it's all 1 through 8 are numerical, meaning 1 is 1, 2 is 2, and the rest are all capitalized letters. Ooh, big fan of that. Oh, this is such a pretty canvas. Same thing, has the same instructions for you to cut off the border. As I stated, I don't really do that. And just in case you want to see a more clear, I'll put a clear image here in the middle of the screen. It may be a nice colorful butterflies mortar style. Oh, this is so pretty. I really like this one a lot. Let me put this aside real quick. Making sure not to mix up the diamonds. So my next two are a little bit larger. I really loved these two when I first saw them. I believe I might have some other partials as well, but I honestly just grabbed from my bag, and luckily they were all partials, so I lucked out on that. Same thing. Standard kit, and these are the diamonds. Oh, these are not packed in a little bag, so I'll make sure to put it back in the little bag that this canvas came in. I don't lose any of the diamonds, but we get to see them. So they're numerical orders, so they're 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, 7 diamonds for this one. As you can see, a lot of the light gold, that beautiful purple, the green. Oh my goodness, I've never gotten this diamond before. As you can see, it's a nice golden solid little diamond. Whew, I really like that. Oh, there's a blue one as well. Like that color. Little raindrop shape for these two. As you can see, a nice blue color and a nice silver color. Ooh, these are real nice. And this is the image. So it's a little sturdier canvas. I'm going to roll it up a bit just to keep it from creasing up so much. And there we go. It's a beautiful butterfly with some wonderful colorful flowers around it. First time I saw it, it makes me think of a shadow box. So as you can see, there's a 3D effect to the wonderful butterfly and the little frame around it. Oh, I really like that. As you can see, it has a little legend of 7 colors, which is interesting because there are some others in here. Huh. I'll have to investigate that because it stops till number 7. But there are symbols for the rest of the colors. So there's a U, a Y, and an A, and a T, which states here on the painting. I think the legend might be off. It's only showing 7, but there are, or unless I miscounted. I think I miscounted. Oh, no, it is. It's 7. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. It's just on the legend. It doesn't show. It does show sort of some of the letters, as number 4 is A and number 6 is Y. But for 5 is T and 7 is the symbol 11. That is interesting. I'll have to, when I kit up this canvas, I just have to make sure the symbols match the packaging, making sure it matches the canvas. Never had a canvas legend kind of change up on me like that. And some information about the painting. It is YY05. That rhyme, sorry. And it's a 30 by 30. And as you can see, beautiful color on it. And it is a partial. I picked up the plastic. It's sturdy as well. The stick is really strong. It won't even pick up the plastic. That's happened before. So as you can see, it's a little tough for pull. So when I do start on this painting, I just have to be careful a bit. The whole painting is not sticky, just... Ooh, these sections are. You just have to be careful when I place them because that is a really, really sticky stick. As you can see, the wonderful little butterfly. Oh, I really love the color on this one. And this one as well, I'm going to put a clear image here in the middle of the screen. It's this wonderful butterfly in the frame. It's your style as well. Actually, before I move it, I'm going to put the diamonds in the original packaging. Because I do not want to lose these diamonds because there's nothing holding them down, and I'm really worried that I'm going to lose some of them or get confused on which painting it is, since I have a lot of different partials in the order. And I'll put them in the bag in a bit just so you don't hear me struggling trying to put them in the bag. Let me just put it here on the side real quick. Apologies, I moved away from the microphone. And this is the last canvas. I believe it might be the same seller as well. Oh, no, it's not. I can tell the difference because it's the legend, and at the bottom of the painting, there's little pictures for diamond painting instructions. Put that aside real quick. And I believe this one, oh, yay, this one has them in bags. Same thing, standard kit, as I said. There we find you. And this is the diamonds. Oh, my goodness, these are so pretty. Oh, I love that blue. There's a nice little pearl one, as you can see here. It's a little raindrop shaped as well. Wonderful gold that kind of escaped a bit, so I have to be careful when I kit this one up. Oh no, it's actually by itself. So you can see there's a resealable bag here. This one diamond is in that bag. That is really neat. I kind of want to kit this one up now. Little sticker is probably the name of the diamond, which is the name of the painting as well. It's also on all the bags, as you can see. Ooh, really like that. And this is the canvas. As I said, I love butterflies. And I kept seeing a lot of partials were all with a butterfly shape. It's a beautiful blue butterfly surrounded with beautiful light colored flowers and a black background. Really helps the color to pop out. Oh, I really like this one. It's so pretty. Oh, and that one golden one goes right in the middle. Kind of makes sense why it's by itself. And apologies, one moment. Sorry about that. Plane was getting way too close and it was getting louder, so that's why I made sure to mute it. Oh, this is such a pretty canvas. I keep looking at it. I really want to kit this one up. It's real pretty. And some information about this painting is AB065 and is a 30 by 30. And there are 8, 9, 10, 11 colors to this canvas. And the legend has from numbers 1 through 8, meaning 1 is 1, 2 is 2. And the last 3 are capitalized letters, which correspond to the symbols. So they're ECD. The symbols for the diamonds are the same as well. So you can see it's a beautiful butterfly. Really love the flowers in the back. As you can see, it's a partial. Ooh, some good stick on the diamonds there. Plastic's real sturdy, but with these I usually just be pulling the plastic anytime I'm placing them, since it's not that many sections that have the diamond section, so that's why I usually do that. And usually these are quick projects just to do on the side, and I really do love these partials. Oh my goodness, they're all really pretty. And just for some clearer image, I'll put one here in the middle of the screen. If a nice blue butterfly with flowers. It's your style as well. So that's all I really wanted to show today. I do have more TEMU paintings that were in my order, but that'll be for more videos later down. I just really wanted to show these partials because I really do kind of want to start on one as a quick side project while I'm working on my larger canvases. Oh, this one is so pretty. I think I'm going to kit up this one first, so stay tuned for that video. It should be real quick. As I said, it's not that many diamonds. I really like it. And I really do miss my TEMU paintings, so don't worry. I'm probably going to order more. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings that we love to do. Crystal partials and all. And again, thank you for your time and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.